stretches, like I touch my 2 toes, I do that 20 times, like continuously. Okay, this is what I do. Uske baad pranam, stretch up and touch your toes. Stay there. Make sure that this entire part is stretched. Try to touch it to your ground. Push, 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 and try to touch your head to your knee. Inhale, come up. Do that 10 times maybe. Make sure that you get entire stretch over here. Force a bit yourself. So धीरे 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 आपका पूरा हाथ जो है फ्लोर पे ऐसा टच करेगा. Next is what I do is a Trikonasana, which works on your this. It works on your love handles, and it also gives you a stretch on your outer thigh. So you go like this. Your this part has to be crushed, literally. Push yourself and give a stretch on this side. Count 5. Come up slowly. Exhale and come together. Same this side. Push yourself to the limit. Go down and come back. This is my favorite asana because even if I don't do anything, at least my curves are maintained. So yeah, the next would be a Chakrasana, which works on your upper back, your lower back, your glutes, your thighs, and also your calves. Okay, so first you get your legs together next to your bum. Then you have your hand next to your shoulder and breathe in, come up. When you come up, for your calves, go on your toes and walk in. Push yourself up so that you feel the stretch on your lower back. Breathe normally for 5-6 times. Come down. Exhale. And exhale again. You can do this maybe for 3 times. So the entire blood goes to your head. You get a glow on your face. Your back is toned, your glutes are toned, and even your calves are toned. Okay. The third one I would like to show is the asana called Bhujangasana. It has the same process, but it works more on your upper body. It's for your brain, the bloodshot you get on your head, for face, for eyes, for memory, everything, for your back. You lie on your chest, breathe in, push yourself, go up, another variation would be pick your legs up and try to touch it on your head.